This week's lab is Projectile Motion. We'll study the motion of an object in 2 dimensions and analyze velocity and position change as a function of time. We'll also hopefully better understand the difference between motion with constant velocity and constant acceleration. But firstly, let's go over the materials we used in this experiment. We used 2 meter sticks, a smartphone, a ping pong ball, tape, a piece of hard cardboard, and a textbook. As always, please check out our lab preparation videos to see how we prepared the meter stick, mounted the smartphone, as well as how to use tracker. Firstly, prepare your smartphone according to our previous instructions. We'll also be using the tape meter sticks as well. Tape your piece of cardboard to the edge of the flat surface and prop the other edge of the cardboard on either a tissue box or textbooks or something similar. We want to take our cardboard and make a ramp out of it. Something a bit more stable than this would be optimal. Tape the edge of the cardboard to the side of the table, like so. We'll be rolling a ball on it, and we want the ball to roll right off the edge, not bounce on the table. Now, we tried a few things to make the ramp, and we found you can use just about anything to prop the cardboard on. In this case, we stuck with a book. Now you can perform the experiment. Adjust the angle at which the ping pong ball falls by propping the cardboard higher up on the object it's leaning on. We use the ping pong ball to roll off the cardboard ramp. We want the ball to be as close to the length scale as you can get it. If the ball rolls far from the length scale, that could be a source of error. And after performing the experiment, we can adjust the angle the ball falls by moving the book forward or backwards. Once you perform and record the experiment, we can go into Tracker to analyze the data. First things first, load in your file into Tracker. We select the frames of interest, then set up the length scale as always. Next, we'll put Auto Tracker on the ball and start it up. After we get all the data points we want, we can go ahead and save the file like so. Some potential sources of error include the length scale being too far from the object being released too far from the meter stick, and the phone not being mounted correctly. Some potential errors from video analysis could come from the resolution being too low and making the object blurry. A low FPS could affect the amount of frames we have and may lead to less accurate data than we would like. That about wraps it up. Good luck on the lab as always, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your TA or professor.